Linking your bank to AppTek is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the AppTek application. Launch the AppTek app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for optimal performance. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Account Settings menu, find the option labeled Link Bank Account or Bank Connections. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This typically includes your account number, routing number, and any required security credentials. Make sure to input the information accurately. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You should receive a notification confirming the successful linking of your bank account. Now you can enjoy the benefits of having your bank connected to AppTek. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the app for assistance.